Hello everyone, welcome to another crypto cult video, and today we will be exploring a new airdrop opportunity. Plus we will be talking about XCAD Social, which is a social fly platform, and social fly as a narrative started with friend.tech few months ago, and we saw a massive growth on people who were early adopters of friend.tech or who launched their keys early on friend.tech. So we will also explore that angle, the potential of growth if you are early on XCAD, plus the airdrop, which is very simple. You just have to do one step. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here. Let's start the video. So the link for XCAD Social is given down below. Use it, and now we will just sign up to it. So you can sign up using your wallet, your Google account, or your Twitter. So I'll use a Google account. Now once that's done, it will take us to the next step, and that is connecting your social media. So you can connect YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. So I'll connect it with X, and now it will ask for a referral code. So you can put in my referral code if you want, which is 7U9RJJ. Then continue. And now they created a new wallet for you where you need to deposit BNB. So how do you become eligible for the airdrop is by launching your own key. And for doing this, you need to have a balance of at least 0.2 BNB, which is roughly $60. So I have deposited the BNB required, and now I can launch my own key. Now, if you're worried that this wallet is on the platform and you will not be able to withdraw, don't worry. You can export your private key and use it as a normal wallet by importing that on your MetaMask also. So let's click on launch your free key, and now the first key is free. So the cost is only the transaction fees. That is just $0.12. That's all you have to spend. Just click on submit and you're all done. Now we will see the welcome screen where it will tell us what the platform is all about. It's basically trading your individual keys, and how it works I'll tell you. And first of all, it asks you to swap your BNB for some XCAD, because you will need to use XCAD to buy and sell keys. So you can swap it right away or just click on not right now. And here you can see people who are just joining in on XCAD. These are all newcomers, and I also made an account from Crypto Jargon's Twitter. And here are the top keys. Top key is from Altcoin Daily, and we also have Mason, which is from Crypto Mason. Then we have Wise Advice, Sumit, Martini Guy, Pushpendra Singh, and many more people that you might have seen on Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. Since a lot of new people who are in the crypto space are joining the XCAD social network, there is a good chance that a lot of people will start trading the keys. So you are now eligible for the airdrop by launching your own key. And yeah, now you can just collect these points and you can check the eligibility criteria here. It can be earned by referring friends, trading the keys. Higher the volume of key traded, the more bigger airdrop you get. So you need to collect these points to be eligible for the airdrop. More points means more airdrop. So since this video is sponsored by XCAD Social, I tell you a little bit more beyond the airdrop point, which is how to trade, buy, sell keys. So let's buy the key of Crypto Jargon. I'll just buy my own key, and here we can see how many keys are being held by this guy only. So 3 keys are with Crypto Jargon only. That means the creator is not selling his own key. So that means the chances of price rise is good. Now we will check the holders. Who are the holders? So we can see a lot of people are holding the keys. A lot of people are holding 5 keys, 1 key, 0.5 key, even 0.1 key you can hold. Now to buy the key, just click on buy, and you can select the number of keys. You can select 1, or you can select, let's say, 0.1, or you can select even 5 keys, whichever you want. So I'll just use 1 key. Enough BNB in the account right now. So it will just ask me to swap my BNB for XCAD to purchase the key. So this is the total cost to buy this key. Then click on submit. So I have swapped my BNB with XCAD, and now I can buy this key using that XCAD. Now similarly, you can purchase keys for other people also. Other people can purchase your own key. Now, how do you trade, buy, sell, or gauge the performance of any kind of key? So here you can see that people with more followers have higher number of keys that is being traded. So if we go to the top key here, so Altcoin Daily is famous. Most people know him, and you can see his key is being traded at a very high price. We can go and see whose key he is holding and the holders of his own key. So you can see a lot of people are buying his key. Similarly, you can also chat with the creator whose key you hold, and there are more features coming which will give the key holders special access, let's say special alpha, special call they will give on the social platform. And that gives the early people who buy the key of creators who promise content on XCAD Social a good advantage and a good way to make money. So it is basically like the fundamentals of the creator adds value to the key, and the key launch can be considered as ICO. So if you know creators who are joining it and they have decent number of followers. Even if they don't promise any content, we will see that the price for their keys keeps increasing. For example, this profile they just launched and they have 5.2 supply of total key, and the key price is now increased, and you can see holders are coming in. So these are also bots. A lot of bots are there that are sniping the XCAD keys, similar to what happened on Friend Tech. And we see that on Friend Tech, people who bought good keys on time before the platform exploded also made a lot of money. So this is a kind of alpha if you want to trade the keys. And that is all about the XCAD Social platform and how to participate in their airdrop. It is a very nice platform also, and XCAD team has investment from Mr. Beast and KSI, some big names out there. So they have good funding, good backing, and a good team, and they are launching a lot of products. So the potential for growth of XCAD Social is there, and if the airdrop comes, we might make very good money. So thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you liked it. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
हैश से कैश और उसी कैश से हैश मुझको चाहती स्ट्रॉन्ग वीड नाले कैश द सैश मुझे याद न बीती रात और कल की बात मेरी बला से सारे पहुंचे भाड़